Yo, what is up, everybody? It's your boy OG Allen Boy, and today we're gonna be doing a glitch on GTA Online, and you will make a lot of money. And I'm not talking like no $5 bills, I'm talking millions. You're gonna be able to make millions with this glitch. What you're gonna need is a nightmare issue, or actually you're gonna need any car. For example, I'm gonna be using this nightmare issue, which sells for about 2 million bucks, which means I'm gonna be making a lot of bank today. And you're gonna need a car that you can duplicate it over with. So I'm gonna be using an LG RH8 because it's free, and since it's free, you know what I'm saying, it's free, you feel me? Let's go ahead and show you guys how to do this glitch. Or actually, you're gonna need one more thing as well. Sorry about that. You're gonna need a MOC, and which I think is pretty expensive, and you're gonna need an arena, which is also pretty expensive. So you're gonna need all of these things, which are extremely expensive, but will help you make a lot of money in the end. So let's just get out with this glitch. So what you're gonna need to do is you're gonna go to your spectate box access area and go inside. Alright, this is solo money glitch, so you can do this by yourself. Now the trick is here is you want to join another player session, but when you see the circle in the right corner by itself, so right by the loading, it shows a circle. You want to wait for it to be by itself, and then what you do is you just join another player session and you should be in the glitch. It's pretty simple as that. Alright, so as you guys can see, the circle's by itself. All you gotta do is just join someone else in a different session. Now they could be your friend, or you could just use someone from a community, and it should work. Oh, and by the way, when the alert pops up, make sure you guys press X. There is one thing that you guys should probably know, is that if they're not in free mode, the glitch will actually end up canceling out and you won't get in the glitch and it won't work. So make sure they're in free mode, make sure they're not doing any heists or any missions. So we're just gonna wait for this to load. And the trick is that if you see half of like the map glitched out or just like completely off, you've done the glitch correctly. You might even fall through the map, but don't worry, you're not gonna die. As you guys see right here, I'm alive, I'm in the lobby, and we completed the hard part of the glitch. Everything from here is smooth sailing. So all you gotta do is go back to your arena. Boom. And I'm doing this all like in freaking real time right now, bro. So we're just gonna go over there and run over this guy because we can. But you just want to watch out though, make sure you don't die, you know what I'm saying? Like right here, I'm driving an armored car, so I'm good. I'm not gonna get ran over or exploded, so I shouldn't die. But what you want to do, oh damn, oh is go to your arena, and I'm gonna do the rest from here in real time. What the hell? Who the hell are you? I gotta say, your car's actually pretty dope. Oh damn. But who is this guy? What the heck? But I'm gonna do the rest from here in real time, just to show you guys that this glitch does work. So we're gonna go over here. We're gonna go inside the arena. What the freak? He's like, nah, I'm dipping, bro. I'm not gonna go inside there with you. But just go inside the arena. We've already completed the hard part of the glitch, and honestly, this glitch is super easy. It can be done in like 5 minutes, and you will be making a lot of money just in a matter of minutes. So, boom. We're gonna go over here to the garage, and we're gonna look for our LG. Alright, so all you want to do from here is you just want to drive your LG to the workshop. So boom, I'm driving, and then I'm literally just gonna drive in the workshop, and your car will end up disappearing. Alright, now pay attention right here. What you want to do is go to the vehicle management, and you want to go for your LG. So my LG is right here, and you want to replace it with the Nightmare Issy, or you want to move it. And what's going to happen is the LG is going to be duplicated into the Nightmare Issy. Now what you want to do is you want to make sure you go inside the LG RH8 and not the Nightmare Issy, because the LG RH8 is a car that we're going to be selling. Now it may look like the LG RH8, but it's actually the Nightmare Issy, and it's going to sell for the exact same price. Now let's say you get confused and you're like, oh man, you know, I don't know which one is the LG. You just go back to the management vehicles and you can see which one is the LG. And this glitch is really simple, really easy. Boom, go in here. Now the next step of the glitch is to go to play quick job, go to activity, go to arm wrestling, and press alone. Make sure you press alone. Alright, what's gonna happen is you're gonna get pulled out. Just go on your phone, go to quick chop, and that's gonna end up canceling the quick job. And what you want to do now is go to the services and call for your mobile operation center. Now the reason why you need the mobile operation center is that the car actually gets successfully duplicated, and yeah, that's pretty much it. I think that's it. But let's say you accidentally go into the mission. It's okay, all you gotta do is just exit out of the mission and you're gonna be good. So we're gonna go over here, duplicate my car. Again, I'm doing this all in real time right now. Boom, just gonna drive in. And now I have successfully duplicated the car. One thing I recommend is just waiting for like the little orange loading screen icon in the right down corner to finish, and that basically is just saving your vehicle. And now your vehicle is saved. And the reason why you put in the mobile operation center in the first place is that it's saved in every lobby you go into. So we're gonna freaking what the freak. Anyways, that's pretty much what this glitch is. It's super simple, super easy. You know what, I'm actually gonna go sell this as well, just to show you guys that this actually does sell for 2 million bucks, dude. What's up with this traffic though, bro? Dude. So now we're gonna go inside of here and sell the car. You guys are gonna see it sells for about 2 million. It actually sells for like 1,700,000, something like that, and you'll be making bank. So boom, it sells for an extremely large amount of money, and you're gonna be freaking so happy. So if you guys enjoyed the glitch, let me know. Subscribe, like, comment. Super easy glitch. I'll be posting more content soon. Stay tuned. Let's go.